This is my audience. Have you ever wondered how a tornado is formed? It is a pretty interesting process. According to a study done by Montana State University, a tornado is a violent rotating column of air extending from a thunderstorm to the ground. Out of all the storms in nature, tornadoes are the most violent. Research shows that about 1,200 tornadoes are formed each year. When a tornado forms, it is caused by different temperatures and humidity needing to form thunderclouds. In the United States, warm, wet winds from the Gulf of Mexico move northward in spring and summer, meeting colder, dry Canadian winds moving southward. According to Weather.com, several conditions are required for the development of tornadoes and the thunderstorm clouds with which most tornadoes are associated. Abundant low-level moisture is necessary, and a trigger such as a cold front or other low-level zone of converging winds is needed to lift the moist air aloft. When the air starts to rise and become saturated, it will keep rising and produce a thunderstorm cloud if the atmosphere is unstable. An unstable atmosphere is when the temperature decreases quickly with height. It can also become unstable when dry air overlays the moist air near the Earth's surface. There are a couple different types of tornadoes. There are supercell tornadoes, waterspouts, landspouts, and gustnados. I will show you these. This is a supercell tornado. This is a waterspout tornado. This is a landspout tornado. And this is a gustnado. The deadliest tornadoes form from supercells. These are rotating thunderstorms with a well-defined radar circulation called a mesocyclone. The formation of a tornado is believed to be determined mostly by things which happen on the storm scale and around the mesocyclone. A waterspout is not as intense and does not cause as much damage as a supercell tornado. This type forms over tropical ocean waters, but the funnel is made with fresh water, not the ocean water. These funnels usually disperse when reaching land. A landspout forms as winds swirl out of the surface. Swirling air is stretched and tightened, which causes the rotating winds to increase in speed. Lastly, a gustnado is weak and short-lived. It forms along the gust front of a thunderstorm, which appears as a dust swirl. In conclusion, a tornado is rotating air coming from a thunderstorm to the ground, and it is formed by different temperatures and humidity needing to form thunderclouds. This is my audience again.